welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying out trucks that we might like. And
you heard him.
This truck so far, I like it. It has like
really
this
good. These handles.
where you can watch the back
We
of the
have
truck.
like
It also has butt warmers, even better,
Got butt
right?
warmers.
So you don't have to worry about
Here's the fit so far. Sweatshirt.
or anything. To be honest,
With some fuzzy socks. It has that little camera thing.
Anyways,
It's from the back.
yeah.
Mom, say hi.
We're in the truck trying it right now.
Mom, say hi.
And yeah, so we're in a truck. And we're in a truck right now. As you can tell, the papers and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah. Oh, we're gonna see the intro. This is cuz one. And
But
my
let's do
cousin
our
is
handshake,
not
guys.
here right now.
Boom,
He's
boom.
elsewhere, so.
Hey. Yep.
And
Like,
Mother, say hi.
do you not know it? Oh, you guys don't know the handshake.
She is
Swag,
There's
swag.
gonna be
Hey.
vlogger
There you guys
family.
go.
So
Wait. That. We're going to be a vlog family.
As a family, I will link it down in the description down below once they give you the link. And I don't have to worry. Y'all guys can go subscribe to that channel, my channel, and go subscribe to her channel, the main Cuz vs. Cuz.
I got Cuz vs. Cuz and I got Zoe Gonzalez. So whichever one you guys want. I see Starbucks. I want Starbucks.
So yeah.
I see Daddy. Can we get
Ooh,
Starbucks?
Look at that. Oh, you have to see the camera in the back. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Dude, I've never seen one of this. Like, it's showing.
Yeah,
It's a
just keep on
screen that
watching and see if
shows.
cars are coming.
And the tar. And like, in the back.
You drive it back.
Anyways, so.
I don't want to drive. I really don't. Don't.
My mom doesn't want to drive. You go, Ma, go, Ma. You got this. Yes, I haven't.
All right, now do you see it?
So we.
You don't see it on the screen.
Oh, right here.
I think it's a projector. Oh, that's this thing, but I don't think you guys will be able to see it. But
Yeah,
it's like a
probably
projector.
I see it now.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yes, I love this truck, Dad. That's good.
Cuando se rompe el mío, expensive.
Daddy, would you like
We
to,
have full coverage for you. But just replace it for free.
I like this.
Dad, would you like to say hi?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Liz, Mom said hi. So,
And she don't like to be
Yeah.
on camera, so which is really weird. But she wants to start a vlogging channel so we can vlog of us being in a camper, living in a camper, doing like Lola school,
yeah, don't mind.
like online stuff.
Don't mind that.
So yeah.
Y'all black.
Pretty
Look
cool.
at the moon. I don't know why it looks so sad.
Do you care to start kind of go into
Anyways,
this
let me take off my
page?
hood. So I'm just going to show you my outfit.
So you think?
Yes, to do it because you guys know what you know stuff. I already said everything, so it's an outfit.
Give you a little
It's like
surprise?
Yeah, with one sleeve, one pocket, and not a fake one. And some long pants, the Nike kind, and some golden Nike shoes. I'm surprised I haven't turned my shoes yet.
Ah,
Oh shoot!
dang, Mom.
Fast!
Can't get up from this exit.
Woo-wee.
Or you can go to the next one and come back at it.
No, it wasn't. That wasn't her. It was just me. I was moving away. I could pull down the window.
Why I pushed it? Never pushed it.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
Push it and get past
Mommy.
the back.
Mommy.
Dang, Mom.
Oh, low.
Yeah, right here. And to the right.
To the right.
No te cagues, no te aguantes.
Put the exhaust brake on. The exhaust brake uses the exhaust of the engine to help you start braking. You can
Sorry.
see behind
Hopefully we
you,
go
you see
somewhere
above
to
you,
eat. I want to
you see from the
eat
front
and
looking back.
hungry.
You You're looking down the sides of your tires.
What? That's even cooler.
The cargo area.
What?
That's what we can see.
No, not the whole thing. What's that?
You guys.
Ooh, there's some good views. I can't show you because he just keep on clicking.
Sick.
I like this. I like this car. We can get this one.
Yeah.
It has even butt warmers, and perfectly it has outlets. But only Mom probably has one that's like this.
I have something.
Hey, why do you turn mine down?
I didn't. It just turned it down off for a while.
Stop! I'm turning this up for you.
Don't touch mine. You don't want me touching that one? Don't touch mine.
Okay, chill out.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. You having temperature management something.
You are.